morning everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print. Now I tell you guys this every single week. Print your coupons off swagbucks.com because you guys can get points for every coupon that you print. Sometimes you get 2 points for every coupon that you print. And if you guys use different browsers with different phone numbers, also use my points. I have both referral links below. But what I do with my phone number is I print from Swagbucks, and then with my husband's phone number in a different browser, I print with on mypoints.com. So I get paid for printing coupons, and I save all my points up until like there's something that I really need to get and I don't want to spend a lot of money, because there's a huge list of stuff that you guys can redeem. Otherwise, I also save my gift cards for around Christmas time, because then I don't have to pay hardly anything. It's pretty much, you know, a free Christmas for me. But I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print. So we got $2 off CoverGirl. I don't think that's new, but some of them did reset, like the Playtex did reset. I'm just going to zoom out just a little bit. Okay. Scrub and Bubbles are still available, which it is almost the end of the month, you guys. I will be doing an end of the month video, but just give you a heads up with that. Disinfecting wipes, 50 cents for Lysol. I know sometimes we have 75 cents, but this is for 35 count or more. I'm just going to print it off anyways. We got $1.50 off Excedrin, which usually I think we're going to get some $1.50 off coupons in our inserts. Here we got $3 off Zantac. Now I haven't seen the Zantac Duos deal in a very long time, but I used to do this deal all the time. But I'm just going to print that coupon off. Lots of Ben & Jerry's coupons if you guys are interested in Ben & Jerry's. There's actually a 2 off of 8 on the Walgreens site if you guys are interested with that. We got $2 off Ducalax. I have a feeling there's going to be a deal with Ducalax and Zantac, because if we got printable coupons, there's something coming up. Here we have $1 off Airwick. Sorry you guys, I just woke up with a baby, but that is a good coupon. Here is a $2 off of 4 for Ben & Jerry's. I'm going to print that off. I love SpaghettiOs, so I will take any SpaghettiOs coupon that I can get. We got 50 cents off of that. Colgate, I always tell you guys to print off the Colgate coupons, because sometimes they don't expire when the newspaper ones do. So just sharing with you guys with that. $4 off Schick, definitely print that one off. Here is a $1 off Arm & Hammer. Usually there's some deals with that with CVS. Another Colgate mouthwash coupon. Lots of Ben & Jerry coupons, you guys. It's crazy. I love Ben & Jerry's, but I've been eating the same pint for a while. I'm also going to print this Godiva baking mix coupon. The reason is because there's also a $1 off coupon on Ibotta, or a rebate, so I'm going to just see if we can get some good deals with that. But the coupons that did not reset for me are the Kellogg's. I printed off the Sheba one. The Tenya, which I think it does expire in a couple of days. The Purell, the Windex, more Purell, Poise, Purina, and those items did not reset for me. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. But other than that, there's some good coupons to print. Hopefully you guys enjoy your day, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.